Solid advice that will make affiliate marketing work for you. If you have a knack for finding a niche, you might be a great affiliate marketer. With thousands of companies and millions of products to choose from, you can be an affiliate for any type of business you choose. However, you will first need to know more about affiliate marketing. We will cover some vital information in this video. Affiliate marketing requires a lot more than selling great products. It also requires you keeping an up-to-date site to work as your digital shop. Use current web layouts or news on your domain to keep the patrons' attention. If you let your design or products run out of date, you will notice that you can't bring in those same quality customers you could previously. Affiliate marketing can be a very profitable way to make money. Instead of actually owning the products, you refer people to buy them and make a commission off of it. One easy way to do this would be to post your website or product on a forum or blog in order to get the most people possible. If you want to make more money, diversify the products that you sell. You can find a selection of products that a particular niche would be interested in and then focus your advertisement towards this niche. Another option could be to reach out to different niches. Both of these methods have been proven and you should find what works best for you. Success in affiliate marketing requires a lot more than just finding your niche or preferred product to promote. As explained previously, there is more effort needed for marketing than people seem to realize. Listen to these tips if you wish to attain the level of a prosperous affiliate marketer. This business should be taken seriously, so apply all the information you have learned here and use it to become successful. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.